Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. It's been a minute since I last uploaded, but I'm super excited to be back in this YouTube channel. This is a space where I chronicle my ongoing beginner's journey in the world of watches. Now, I am super excited, guys, because I bought a watch to commemorate a very special moment in my business career. So I recently signed a lease agreement for a 400 something square meter space here in the Philippines. We are setting up a sneaker slash toy slash collectible shop, and I am so stoked. I'm so excited, and I am so thrilled to be able to take this big step in business. So I actually took this opportunity as well to buy a dream watch to commemorate the occasion. So one of the watches that I've always had my eye on was the IWC Big Pilot, specifically the reference 5002, primarily because of John Mayer's influence. So I saw a video of him, I think it was an interview with Houdinki, talking watches or something like that. And the way he described the Big Pilot, the way he talked about the features, the emotional connection to it, really got me hooked on the idea of owning a piece. And I am super, super blessed and excited to share with you guys that to commemorate the signing of the lease of the shop that we are opening, I bought myself a Big Pilot. This is the IWC Big Pilot 5002. I got it from Win Gabriel. Check him out on Instagram if you guys want watches. Great service. Fantastic person to talk to here in the Philippines. So we'll take a look at we'll take a closer look, put it on wrist, and just wow, it's a really nice watch. Let's go. Now, before we get to the Big Pilot, like what I mentioned, I love big watches. I have a big wrist. I just want to share with you two of my bigger pieces. So this one is a Shinola or Shinola. I don't know how I pronounce it. Apparently, this is from Detroit in the US. I got this from my good friend, Ronald Barrero, during my advertising days. So this is like my advertising era watch. This is one of the first watches that I ever bought that I considered to be expensive at that time, which is a TW steel watch. I still have it. This represented the grind of getting to where I am. I started from the bottom, so it's not as if I had like money at the start. So this watch has so many memories and has so many emotions. The climb to where I'm at. And then we get to this one, the IWC 5002 Big Pilot. There are three things that I absolutely love about this watch. The first thing is that, well, as the name implies, it is big. That massive case is just perfect for my wrist. It's like the dream big watch of people who love big watches, at least in my opinion. Obviously, some people might prefer other big watches, but for me, this has always been like at the pinnacle or at the very top, or different variations of this, such as the Little Prince version or the gray dial one. Man, that looks incredibly beautiful, and all the other Big Pilot pieces. Now, this one though is like super classic and super versatile because of the black dial, and of course that brown strap goes with a lot of outfits. You can wear it, I don't know, smart casual, dress down. It's just an all-around versatile big watch. The second thing I love about it is that it is so easy to turn and adjust the time because of the giant dial, and the ratio of how much the minute and hand moves is just massive. So you can quickly set the time on this one. This has 7 days power reserve. So the moment you wind it all the way up to 7 days, you can pretty much use it without ever needing to wind it again. So it's like one of those nice one watch or two watch collection pieces because it is meant to be used and abused thoroughly. The last thing I love about it, it is so legible because of the giant numbers. I mean, one glance from your wrist, you can immediately tell the time. And I think it was John Mayer. Yeah, it's John Mayer in that video with Houdinki that he mentioned. It can even double like a desk clock because of the giant, numbers. You can set it down on a nightstand or beside you on a table, and you can quickly glance at it and you can tell the time. So those features add to that the fact of the heritage as well as the history of IWC, plus the quality of the overall watch. I think those are the things. Plus, of course, the special moment that was commemorated or immortalized when I bought this piece makes it so special. Now, obviously, this is not like a super detailed review. This is just me sharing how happy I am that I finally got this watch. So watch out for another video talking about this, maybe after I've worn it for a couple of weeks. So watch out for that coming I don't know, soon. Now at this point in the vlog, I'll bring you guys along with me because we will be heading on over to at Tokyo. Over at the podium, they have new G-Shocks there. They sent me a message and I just wanted to check in with them and see what those G-Shocks are. Apparently they're really nice. So, and there are a couple of new Seikos as well. So yeah, come with me, let's take a look. By the way, quick teaser, I got myself a Bulova watch. Bulova, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. This is my first ever Bulova piece. So watch out for the unboxing of this one. Coming really soon on my watch channel. Also, in case you guys are interested, these are the Jordan Deltas in triple white. I did a video on this on my sneaker channel. I'll link it down below in case you guys are interested in shoes. And lastly, this is the view from the outside balcony of our condo where I live. Really nice. So for those who are first timers here, this is my wife, Michelle. So this is my watch vlog. So say hi.
Hi.
Yon. So guys, we're here at Tokyo. So this is one of the first watches, which is like a transparent GM 1110. It has some sort of like gold bezel or case, and then transparent strap. We also have over here the GA2100 na transparent. So you can take a look at the case. It is transparent, but it does have like a black face. Really nice looking watch. So if you are into this aesthetic, this is one of the nicer watches to get. And we have really nice entry-level Seiko 5s. This one has a bigger diameter. This one has a smaller diameter. So we'll probably take a couple of watches so we can stock up on stuff to review. Let me know what you think of this watch. Is it good, bad? Comment down below. We also have this GA110 skeleton, black dial, and then transparent case. This one's really nice. So if you are into this model and you want like a transparent case, you can probably pick this one up. Here's another one, which is the GA2000. So again, transparent case as well as strap, then some sort of like black dial. Lastly, we have the GA900. So if you take a look at the hour and the minute hands, they're more pointed. They actually look really nice. Then again, transparent case, black dial. Ganda. So yeah guys, just got home. I hope you enjoyed our quick vlog for today. We did the quick look at the IWC Big Pilot. We checked out a couple of watches over at Tokyo, over at the podium, at the mall. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I expect a bunch more watch unboxings and watch reviews in the next few days. I know I wasn't able to upload as much last week, but the pace will be picking up because there are a ton of watches that need to be featured, unboxed, and reviewed here on my watch channel. With that said, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you guys are all doing fine. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.